So there's where the washing machine fits into.
Right.
And I'll measure now, do some measuring.
While the hay meadow dries, preparations for Christmas continue.
On the back wall, to the front there, is 570. The gap where the machine got to go into is 605. The height has got to go under. Say 865. So the thing we've got to be careful of again, I've just drawn because it's going to come very close to the front of the machine. So we mustn't have any knobs around by there. We should foul the draw. And this machine is a Hoover.
Logic 1300.
And this measures 585. The depth is 520. And the height
you can still see him in a number of guys on different roads. But the image we all know and love today didn't come about until the 1930s.
is 846.
And a gentleman dressed in a large red suit, white beard, very, very jolly.
This is round the back here for the inlet bit. But there on that side, that's the draining hose. And this is the power.
Why are you showing all this, Father?
So we know what we got.
All wash machines just put the same left.
You don't know, do you?
Yeah, all the fittings are the same.
The length of the cable and stuff. The position of these.
But it doesn't matter about the position of them as long as
if they're over there, these hoses probably won't get to it.
Oh, alright, right.
Huh?
Yes, right.
So there's the hoses in the back.
Yes, right. You just have to buy longer hoses.
Can you get longer hoses?
I don't know, right, so this is why I'm saying most washing machines are always at the side of the, you know.
Right, yeah. I think that's it, is it?
I don't know, right. It's on pause now, right? I'm going to go find that one.
It's not on pause, it's still filming.
Right, press the pause button.
Because Mr. Atling gave me a really hot